Math problem. A metal disc, 12 cm in diameter and 5 cm thick, is melted down and cast into a cylindrical bar of diameter 5 cm. How long is the bar? So we melt a disc and we cast it down into a cylinder. And so let's say, for example, this is our disc. This is a disc of it's 5 cm thick. And then a diameter of 12 cm. So we melt it down to a bar that has a diameter of 5 cm. That's from here to here. And then of length L. We're asked, what is the length of the bar? So when we melt down a disc and cast it into a cylinder, what is going to be the same on both sides? It's going to be volume. So volume of this disc will be the same thing as the volume of this cylindrical bar. So volume here is pi r squared h. In our situation, is going to be pi radius r is d over 2. That's okay, d1 over 2 squared will be equal to, okay, pi r squared h. In this case, h is going to be thickness. Let's call it thickness, right? Let's call it thickness. And then on this side, we have pi r d2 over 2 r squared L, right? Times L. So pi d1 over 2 squared times the thickness is going to be equal to pi d2 over 2 squared times the length. Good enough, we have d1 is equal to 12 cm. T1 is equal to 5 cm. Then on this side, we have D2 is equal to 5 cm. And of course, we're looking for L. That's the unknown, right? So putting these values into our equation, we have pi 12 all over 2 squared times 5 will be equal to pi 5 over 2 squared times L. So in this equation, this pi can cancel out this pi. 144 all over 4 times 5 is equal to 25 over 4, right, times L. Of course, this can cancel out. So basically we have 144 times 5 all over 25 is equal to L, right? So of course, 1 here, 5 here. And if you do 144 all over 5, you're going to get 28 4 over 5, right? And what is 28 4 over 5? We have L is equal to 28.8 cm, right? And that's our answer is A. So A. And that's the solution to our problem. The the cylindrical bar will have a length of 28.8 centimeters.